Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. There's been some upgrades since I did my video this morning, so I'll get right to the upgrades. First off, we now have a marginal. We have a second marginal for far southeastern Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and far southwestern Alabama. It was not there when I did my video this morning, but now it is. So, and we have also upgraded to a slight for portions of north central Texas. So everything else has pretty much remained the same. Cities in the slight include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. The marginal includes Kansas City, Missouri, New Orleans, Louisiana, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So, going to today's tornado threat, there's been an upgrade from a 2% to a 5% tornado risk in central Oklahoma today. So, the 5% tornado risk today includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Edmond, Oklahoma. And there's still a 2% tornado risk for areas surrounding the 5% Oklahoma. So the 2% encompasses central, north central, and northeastern Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, eastern Kansas, the western half of Missouri, southwestern Iowa, and the very far extreme southeastern tip of Nebraska. And there's now a 2% tornado risk here, which was not there before. So the 2% today also includes far southeastern Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and far southwestern Alabama. So, cities in the 2% include Kansas City, Missouri, New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Mobile, Alabama, and Overland Park, Kansas. So, going to today's wind threat. Wind threat remains the same for most areas, except down here where there's an upgrade to a marginal along the Gulf Coast. So the 5% includes far southeast Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and far southwestern Alabama. So cities in the 15% wind risk area include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, and Olathe, Kansas, however you pronounce it. And the 5% wind risk today covers Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Omaha, Nebraska. So, and today's hail threat, so largely the same hail threat, so the hail threat largely remained the same, but there's now a 15% hail risk area in central Texas today. So, and there is a black dashed area within the 15% in Texas. The black dashed area meaning highest potential of seeing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger. But everything else with the hail remains the same since my last video. So, areas in the 15% hail risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. The black dashed area includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. And the 5%, and again, the black dashed area is the highest potential of seeing hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger. So, in areas in the 5% hail risk today include Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. So, anyway, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of the central and southern plains into the mid-Mississippi Valley, mainly this evening through the overnight hours. This may include an organized thunderstorm cluster across parts of Oklahoma into southeastern Kansas and western Missouri, capable of producing very large hail, damaging winds, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes. So, that's the update I wanted to give, so stay safe in the affected areas today, and because this is mainly a nighttime and overnight threat, be sure to have, a way of getting, notified during the night for severe weather warnings. Have a weather radio on you or your phone or TV to wake you, but more specifically, no weather radio if you have one. But otherwise, I would recommend sleeping in your safe place tonight, so you get, so you're already safe. So, from severe weather. So, stay safe today, and I will have another update tomorrow, because tomorrow's outlook is much worse than today. So, stay safe, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.